Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the News Bulletin. Here are the headlines of the day. Government to rename 2 airports after 2 former chief ministers. "36 lower primary schools in Meghalaya are teacher-less," informs Education Minister. Agniveer recruitment rally commenced at Shillong. And Doordashan Meghalaya celebrates its 63rd Foundation Day. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today told the Assembly that the state government has decided to rename 2 airports after 2 former chief ministers of the state. While replying to the pending motion on policy and program on Meghalaya's 50-year completion, the Chief Minister said that the Umroi Airport will be named after former Chief Minister B.B. Lyngdoh, while Barjek Airport will be renamed after the first Chief Minister of the state, Captain Williamson A. Sangma. He said that this proposal is in the pipeline, adding that the government will soon come up with a notification. Education Minister Lakmin Rimboy told the Assembly today that there are a total of 36 lower primary schools in the state without teachers. While replying to the question raised by TMC MLA from Rangsakona Zenith M. Sangma, Rimboy informed that the reason these schools are teacherless is either due to retirement transfers or resignation of incumbent teachers. The TMC MLA from Rangsakona, however, questioned what alternative steps are taken to ensure schooling and education for children in these villages continues. According to Sangma, it is a concern on the future of the children and youth if it is not taken care of. In his reply, Rimboy stated that in most of the villages, the children are attending alternative schools. The Education Minister added that whereby these schools are, they have approached for rationalization to post the teachers so that students attend.
Already on the road that I can
There are as many as 36 government LP schools where there is not even a single teacher. It's a question of the future of our children, the future of our youths. And if this foundation of the education of our children is not taken care of, we'll be ending up with by having lots of problem, and it will be overburden to all of us in future.
This teacherless school happened due to retirement or transfer or resignation of the incumbent teachers. We have approved for rationalization to post the teacher where so that the student could go to that schools.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today assured the Assembly that the state government is leaving no stone unturned to stop the illegal mining and illegal transportation of coal. While replying to the call attention motion moved by Congress MLA from Maulai PT Saukme, the Chief Minister said that apart from the punitive penal actions, the district administration is taking all possible steps to stop illegal mining. The Chief Minister informed that till August 31st, 2022, 1,652 cases have been registered for illegal transportation, out of which 1,354 have been charge-sheeted and 472 have been convicted. He further said that similarly for illegal mining and extraction, 199 cases have been registered, 108 have been charge-sheeted and 23 have been convicted.
I thought and we thought that remaining now of less than 5 years, we thought that the problem of coal mining could be settled.
So the government is leaving no stone unturned to stop the illegal mining and illegal transportation of coal. Apart from the punitive penal actions, the district administration is taking all possible steps to stop illegal mining. As was mentioned yesterday by the Honorable Home Minister, that till 31st of August 2022, 1,600 cases, 1,652 cases have been registered for illegal transportation, out of which 1,354 have been charge sheeted and 472 have been convicted.
The Associated Chambers of Commerce and Industry of India today organized Ayurveda Parv in Shillong. The Ayurveda Parv is a 3-day exhibition from September 15 to 17 September 2022. The event has been organized for proper utilization of Ayurvedic healthcare as well as for coordination and better utilization of Ayurvedic education, research and manufacturing of medicines. The 3-day exhibition focused on Ayurveda, Yoga, Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy. Speaking on the occasion as the chief guest, Dr. Joram Beda, IAS Secretary to Meghalaya Health Department, said people should come forward and accept Ayurveda and Yoga, and the youth should come forward and start practicing Yoga and accept as it is done in the Western countries.
Government Associated Chamber.
I would say that there is a need to rediscover Ayush. I'll especially speak on Ayurveda and Yoga because that is what I know of, and I will emphasize on that. And I must say that this attitude of Ghar ki Murgi Dal Barabar, this kind of an attitude towards Ayush and Yoga is a very discouraging and disappointing attitude.
Agni Veer recruitment rally for all districts of Meghalaya commenced yesterday at Shillong and will end on 25th September 2022. The recruitment rally is held at Manekshaw Stadium 58 GTC Happy Valley, Shillong. Over 6,000 candidates have applied for recruitment as Agni Veer in the Indian Army. Talking to DD News, Meghalaya Defence PRO Wing Commander Sri Prakash J urged the candidates to be aware of touts who make false promises and extort money from them in the name of assured selection. Deputy Director General Recruitment of North Eastern State Harpreet Singh added that the process for the North Eastern states started from the 7th of September 2022 and they have a plan to organize 11 recruitment rally all over the North Eastern states. He informed that the rally held in Shillong is the third rally.
This is the rally for the state of Meghalaya, and for this again the response has been very encouraging. We have been going out to the hinterland and to the villages and to the tribal areas to inform people, to inform the candidates about the benefits of this scheme and to encourage more participation. This has resulted in an overwhelming response of 30% more registrations over the average of previous years. And you can see the enthusiasm which these boys are displaying. And we hope that the entire process of this recruitment in Northeast states will continue like this, and maximum candidates will participate so that they can avail benefits of this scheme.
And now some moment of joy and reckoning. Your own Doordarshan celebrated its 63rd Foundation Day today. For the past 63 glorious years, Doordarshan has been part of the DNA of each one of us. With its programs, iconic coverage of Independence Days, Republic Days, as well as authentic and reliable news, it has become part and parcel of lives of each one of us. Doordarshan Meghalaya celebrated the Foundation Day at its Lightcore office and took stock of the progress Doordarshan has made over the years and its strengths and weaknesses. Head of the Kendra T. Hinyota facilitated the staffs who have contributed in Doordarshan Meghalaya's successful journey till now. He exhorted the staff to adopt new ways and technologies to reach out to the audience in the era of technological disruption. And now for the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded in the city was 20 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 17.2 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 96% while it was 98% in the evening. The recorded rainfall was 17.9 millimeters. And the forecast says that moderate rain is very likely to occur at many places. This is a reminder that our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune into our daily bulletin. And before we wind up, here's the headlines once again. Government to rename 2 airports after 2 former chief ministers. 36 lower primary schools in Meghalaya are teacherless, informs Education Minister. Agni-Veer recruitment rally commenced at Shillong. And Guru Darshan Meghalaya celebrates its 63rd Foundation Day. And with that, viewers, we've come to the end of today's edition of the News Bulletin. Do join us back tomorrow at the same time. Good night.